friends, myself Narmada. I am a senior software engineer having 9 years of experience as a Microsoft technology. So today we are going to see SSIS for each loop item enumerator. So the item enumerator iterates over the item mentioned within the container column. Okay. So today agenda. So in this tutorial, right, we are going to store some kind of static value into the for each loop container. So then we will iterate the each value by reading the container data. So then when iterating based on the iterated value, we are just creating the directory in our local system. This is what we are going to achieve in this tutorial. Okay. So basically, guys, for example, imagine you have not stored any data anywhere in your local system or else in our database table object. There is no data, nothing at all. You just having the some static data and you just want to iterate. Based on that, you have to need to do some performance. So in that case, really it will be helpful this item enumerator. So let's start how you can play around with that. Okay, let me s- let me create new SSIS package. So create drag and drop for each loop container. So double click that. So first you have to define what collection enumerator for each item enumerator. So now in the item enumerator you need to put the static values, correct. So the column you just include column. This is the column name. Okay, by default it will be like this. When once you click add button, then click OK button. Now include. I'm having some static value kind of Jan. Okay, and Feb and March. So, okay, there are around three values I have passed to the for each item enumerator. Now, variable mapping you have to include, correct? New variable I'm just including like end of month. Okay, click OK. So now what will happen every time when we are iterating this item enumerator, the each, for example, first time when it iterate happen, January value will be mapped to this variable, month variable. So second time when iterate happen, February month value will be assigned to this month variable. It will overwrite every time. So this is the way when third time iterate happen, the March value will assign to this variable. Okay, we just assigned it. Now what we are going to do, based on the values whatever we are reading in the container, we are going to create directory in our local system. So just to double click that. Before that, you could see, just go and create some variable. Why we need variable? We need to define path, correct. So path, then where you need to place the directory, right? The new directory whatever you are creating, where you need to place. So that for that purpose you need to create this and define the path here. So I'm creating here for each item. Okay, in this path only I just need to create directory. So I'm just creating value. Okay, now create some dynamic path. Why means each time iterating, first time when iterating January, one directory need to be created. Second time February need to be created. Then we have to make that as a dynamic, correct? Just select string, then go expression, drag and drag the path and evaluate. Okay, then plus double quotation, evaluate, evaluation true, then click plus symbol. Before the month, I am just need year, okay, current year, based on the current get date, okay. Just I am just putting year of get date. So you see, it will throw the error because the year function will return integer value, right? This is the string value, this is the integer value. How you can append, you cannot do. So for that you need to convert that this integer value to varchar. To do that you just use type case function. Here ddwstr length is there. So then click 4. Okay, now evaluate. So it's appended, right? Then plus, I'm just using hyphen symbol. Then plus, I just want to include month. So now the month value will be blank. That's why here you could see nothing showing because I have not given any initial value. But when iterate happen, it will be automatically populated. Okay. Now click OK. Proceed. Now just go on to the dynamic path. Here operation what you have to do, you need to select create directory. So is source path variable? Yeah, true. It's a variable. Which variable you want? If you see here, for dynamic path, correct? So just check it once which variable we have created. Again, one more time. Variables, dynamic path, correct? So just give again, just give operation create directory true. Which variable? Dynamic path variable. Okay, you use directory if exists, you can give true. There is no issue. Click OK. Now save it. So just check once. This is the path we are expecting that folder need to be created. So just run it. It's create. So see, wow, the 3 year with month it's created. It has been created. Okay, guys, hope you understand well. So, if you like, then please subscribe to my channel and also please comment me if you need any details, more details, then I will post you accordingly. Thank you so much.